Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. Up first, you would have seen our very special guest this week, Moose's Crazy Art. Absolutely awesome artist. If you missed it, go check her out. There's a link in the description. You'll absolutely love her. So, thank you so much for being our very special guest today, Moose. We love you the whole world and back, mate. After me, we have Shannon from Shamby Fluid Art and Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art. So stick around, enjoy the ride. So today, I'm just going to have a play day, because play days are a whole heap of fun, and I'm just going to go absolutely crazy, as you can see here, because it's Moose Crazy's art. We've got to do something crazy. So stick around, enjoy the ride, hear some tunes, and see how much crazy we can come out with.
Like poison in my veins, this love for you is dangerous. Makes me go insane, the feeling is glorious. Pulling like an undertow, you've got me heart and soul. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything for you. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I'd give it all, throw it all away. Feel you like a cold rush. I give everything, I'll do anything for you. 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 I give everything 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 You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. You're in my blood, you're in my veins. I throw it all away. I give everything, I do anything for you. I give everything, I do anything for you.
Who would've known years ago something beautiful could take a hold of your world, lead you down that road where you'd never go? Who could have seen or believed it turned out like this? What seemed perfect, what felt right would be such a mess. And if you forget, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When you're but you're far from done. And if you need someone, it's not over yet. Give what you got left. When it feels unfair, know that I'll be there. See the light, there's no turning back. Feel the hope, go on, take a step. Go on, take I see it, I see it, I see it. Oh, I see the light. Through the night I will carry you. Hand in hand, what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the light. Oh, I see it. Oh, I see the I see it. I see it. I see it. I see the light. It's not over yet. Oh, I see the light. Tonight I will carry you. Hand in hand, what you're walking through. I see it, I see it, I see it, I see the light. Oh, I see the light.
So it ends like a beacon for me, and all that we can see, the light that we can believe. So you see, a love that's lost too deep. The dawn shines down on the sea. A ghost is all that we need. And I'm not saying it's all over. And I'm not saying that our time is up. And even though nobody's been before, it's all we live for. I'm not saying it's all over. And I'm not saying that our time is up. And even if nobody's been before, it's all we live for. When you're lost, baby, babe, when there's nothing left to believe, when you're fading, you're all that I need. And I'm not saying it's all over. And I'm not saying that our time is up. And even though nobody's been before, it's all we live for. I'm not saying it's all over. And I'm not saying that our time is up. And even if nobody's been before, it's all we live for.
It's so simple when I see you. Can't deny the way I feel you. You're so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been, all the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one. So simple when I see you. Can't deny the way I feel you. You're so electric when we touch. I can never get enough. All the places that we've been, all the moments just for fun. Moving closer, be the one. Moving closer, tell me that you're gonna be the one.
I see the way you look at me, like you want to, but you won't. I'm begging you to take the lead. You got the green light, take control. 'Cause I wanna breathe when you breathe. I wanna hear your heartbeat. Don't need the space in between. I think you know what I'm feeling. I want your body on mine. I
Alright guys, we'll do a flyover of that one. Man, that was a load of fun. Nothing better than just having a total play day where you just do some crazy stuff and think outside the box. You come up with some crazy stuff. Super cool. Alright, up next we've got Shannon from Shanby Fluid Art. Click on the link that's in the live chat and it'll take you to her premiere today. Or if you're a member of Paint Boring by Venom Fluid Art, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Fluid Art Express one after another and you don't get lost. Once again Moose, thank you so much for being our very special guest this week. We absolutely love you to bits, mate, so thank you. If you missed her, like I said, there'll be a link in the description. Click on that, go check her out, you'll absolutely love her. Alright guys, that's it from me, so have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.